everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Zoom Story. If you are new to this channel, you are requested to subscribe my channel for more updates. Please try to watch the full video. Many of us know Mr. Ronaldo very well. He is one of the world's richest football player and famous person in the current world. In this tutorial today, I'll try to teach you how to simply draw a flat design of Ronaldo in Adobe Illustrator step by step. First click File menu, then click Place to pick the image in artboard. Let's make a new layer to place the image and name it outline. From the toolbar, select pen tool and try to draw hair outline smoothly. Let's make some color plate to color the design. If you seek a graphic designer, embroidery digitizer, then please knock us through the following email address. We can handle any sort of graphic or embroidery task smartly. Besides this, if you need several sort of graphic design, embroidery design and CAD/CAM software, then just mention it and send us an email to get it. Now pick a new layer and name it Skin. Select ellipse tool to create eyeballs. draw skin notch perfectly. Then draw nose, face shape and ear hole exactly. Use gradient and eyedropper tool to make eyeballs. Review the image to remove mismatches. Use gradient and eyedropper tool to color small parts. Let's draw eyebrow, lip and teeth. After drawing, hide the raw image. Now color the image from relevant color palette through direct selection tool. Flat design of Ronaldo in Adobe Illustrator is ready. Then click Shape Builder tool to remove unwanted lines from the drawing through Direct Selection tool. Select Brush tool to draw notches accurately. Cristiano Ronaldo is a professional, smart Portuguese 36 years old Juventus midfielder come left-wing forward, often considered the best player in the world and widely regarded as one of the greatest players of all time. Ronaldo has won so many awards and championship cups in his career and received a Golden Boot as top scorer, one of the most marketable and famous athletes in the world. Ronaldo was ranked the world's highest paid athlete by Forbes in 2016 and 2017 and the world's most famous athlete by ESPN from 2016 to 2019. He is the first footballer and the third sportsman to earn $1 billion in his career. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you want to watch later in commenting. I think this video is easy and quick to learn for graphic designers who are looking to improve their skills in Adobe Illustrator by using new tips and tricks. Please being with us to learn graphic design, embroidery design and CAD/CAM system step by step. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel, please share this video. Subscribe and likes will be a great support to create good content. Bye bye.